I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti Q50 steering wheel. First, gather all your tools like a socket set and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the wheels straight. Safety is key, so we'll start by disconnecting the battery. Then, we'll carefully remove the airbag module before unbolting the old steering wheel. Finally, we'll install the new one and reconnect everything. Before you begin, make sure your Infiniti Q50's front wheels are perfectly straight. This helps with proper alignment later. Now, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. It's crucial to wait at least 10 minutes after disconnecting the battery to allow any residual power in the airbag system to dissipate completely. This prevents accidental deployment. Once safe, locate the small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel and use a small tool to release the airbag clips. With the airbag module carefully set aside, you'll see several electrical connectors. Disconnect these by gently pressing their release tabs. Next, locate the large central bolt holding the steering wheel to the steering column. Use an appropriate socket wrench to loosen and remove this bolt. Before pulling the wheel off, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the steering column spline with a marker. This ensures your new wheel is perfectly straight. Now, gently pull the steering wheel off the spline. Now it's time to install your new steering wheel. Carefully slide the new wheel onto the steering column spline, aligning it with the marks you made earlier to ensure it's straight. Reinstall and securely tighten the large central bolt. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors you detached earlier, ensuring they click firmly into place. Finally, carefully reattach the airbag module by pressing it back into its clips until it locks. Reconnect your car's negative battery terminal, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.